My name is Mohammad Bilal and today I am here to teach you Cauchy's form of higher order differential equations. As we can see that we have got a question here. First, to recognize how we can recognize that it is a Cauchy's form. Then it is a simple method. The power of variable and the order of derivative must be same. Here the power of variable is 2 and the order of derivative is 2. Here the power of the variable is 1 and the order of derivative is 1. Then we can see that we can solve it by Cauchy's form. Then I want to tell you some shortcut methods. As we can see that we have got a question in here in the terms of x and y, but we will solve it into z and y. Then the form of z is equal to ln x and x is equals to e is to the power z, and here d square will be equal to d into d minus 1, d cube will be equal to d into d minus 1, d minus 2, d4 will be equal to d into d minus 1, d minus 2, d minus 3, and further so on for other powers with respect to the power order of derivatives. Now starting solving it, first we will form an auxiliary equation to solve by YC. Then the auxiliary equation will be d square y minus dy plus y. As we know that this term is the yp, then we will ignore it, and x square also will be ignored. Taking y common and putting the value of d square, d into d minus 1 minus d plus 1 bracket closed, and this term will be 0 as y will be. Now solving, d square minus d plus 1 equals to 0. d square minus 2d plus 1 equals to 0 will be final. Now again breaking it to take into the factors, square minus d is d plus 1 equals to 0. Taking d common, d minus 1 minus 1 d minus 1 equals to 0. d minus 1 into d minus 1, the two factors, and hence its slopes or factors will be d equals to 1 comma 1. Now yc will be c1 plus c2 x e to the power x. Here z will be replaced simply c1 plus c2 z e to the power z. Now for yp, we know the formula. Yp is equals to 1 over f of d into this yp part ln x 1 over d square minus 2d plus 1 and this part ln x. Now we will replace this factor in terms of z, 1 over d square minus 2d plus 1, as we know that x is equals to e to the power z. This ln and e will be cancelled with respect to the property, and we have left with only z. Now we have got an expression in the numerator, so we will try to solve it by binomial expression. To take it into the binomial expression, we will take this term into numerator. It will be d square minus 2d plus 1 whole inverse dot z. Here expanding this term by the formula of d binomial. Now it will be with negative sign minus d square, but we often make some mistake that we write this term first. We will write this term as first, then it will be 1 minus d square, the alternate signs will be, and if we multiply this term with plus, it will be minus 2d and plus of this whole term plus d square minus 2d and whole square, and this term will be plus and the whole square. Now as we can see that the double derivative of this thing will be 0 and this thing will be 0, as by solving it and dot z, and to be continued with the, and the other terms which will come will be 0, as the second derivative of this things 2 and d square will be 0. Then we will left with this term 1 plus 2 into z. Now this will be 1 plus 2d, as we have got this here d and we have got this single, and multiplied by z and taking derivative, then it will be z plus 2, which is our yp. Now we know that y is equals to yc plus yp. Since we have got our yc, c1 plus c2 z e to the power z plus z plus 2. Now we know that we have got previously this question in terms of x. Now we will write this term in the term of x. It will be c1 plus c2 z is equals to ln x, as we know that. Then it will be replaced by ln x e to the power ln x plus ln x plus 2. Now we know that exponential and ln are cancelled. This will be cancelled. c1 plus c2 ln x into x plus ln x plus 2, which is our y. Final answer.